All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, quick YouTube video, 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport, 117,000 precious miles. Folks, let me tell you what. Just look at this freaking, I don't even know what blue this is, like electric blue, Smurf blue, sky blue. I don't know what kind of blue it is, but it is an absolutely beautiful color in person. It's got some good solid metallic in it, but if you look down the body lines of this Jeep, never off-roaded, not even a freaking body scratch that I could find so far. Anyway, 2015, if you go to our website, it'll have the full description of the Jeep with everything that's been done to it as far as cosmetic upgrades. You guys can obviously see some of them in the video itself. This video is to give you a good idea if you guys are out of state and you want this vehicle shipped directly to your home state without having to drive here. This video should give you a really good idea of how clean it is in person. Look at the body lines. Perfect reflection in the background. You can even see me. You can see my big booty. Anyway, 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Gosh damn, that sun is bright. The trim right here, like, we take a blowtorch, heat it up, nice light shine, and it'll stay like that for a long period of time. Aftermarket LED tail lights, fifth wheel matching spare. Obviously you guys can see hard top. Again, there'll be a full list of every option that's been done to this vehicle. Let me give you guys a shot of the interior so you guys can see how clean it is inside as well. Again, 15. Interior is sharp. Again, 117,000 miles. Upgraded sound bar in the back with 4 speakers. Obviously, you have the roof that's removable. I mean, this Jeep is fabulous. Brand new rough country high-rise fender flares. So if you guys do want to take it off-road, it will give you a little bit more clearance. EAG front bumper, aftermarket headlights, pod lights, inner fender liners. Obviously, you can see the fuel wheels, 18 by 9s, I believe. That controls all your pods right there. I mean, slam jamming, perfect. It's a perfect road Jeep. I don't even know if you guys would want to take this thing off road. It's too damn clean. Anyway, if you guys have any questions on the video, drop a comment. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Like the video if you guys haven't already. If you guys ain't one of my subscribers, I feel bad for you. You guys should subscribe to the channel. Bottom right-hand corner, hit that sub button. If you're feeling lucky, hit the bell notification. That way when I post shit, you guys will be the first ones to see it. Anyway, lifted truck dealer, Charleston, South Carolina. I'm located in the greater Charleston, South Carolina area. We offer sales, parts, and service. If you're looking for a lifted truck, a lifted Jeep, or sports car, that's all we sell. 30 to 40 vehicles in stock at all times. We have service in-house. We have parts in-house. So if you guys need upgrades for your Jeep, upgrades for your truck, you're still watching this video, drop a comment, and I'll give you like a free, I don't know, maybe like a free $100 off a $1,000 order. You know, just get a free 10% for just cuz. Anyway, we ship anywhere in the nation. So if you guys are interested in the Jeep, you want it shipped to your doorstep, I can do riding videos. I can do other undercarriage videos if you want. Actually, let me shoot you the undercarriage real quick. I didn't really need to go far, but you can see the frame is straight jet black. The last owner of this Jeep was in, I believe, Ravenel, South Carolina. But anyway, Southern Jeep, no rust, no issues. Mechanically, super, super nice. We're waiting for one small part for it. It's on back order, maybe a couple weeks, but nothing that's gonna stop you from buying it for sure. Anyway, all in all, fabulous Jeep. Pricing this one online, probably somewhere around the 17 to 18 grand number, maybe 19 grand. If you guys are nice, if I get 100 likes on this video, I mean, maybe I can sell for like 16 grand, you know what I mean? You with me? Anyway, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go to our website, deluxemotorsports.com. Super easy, DLUXmotorsports.com. It'll be in the description. Links to my Instagram and Facebook will be in the description as well. Those are the 2 places to find our inventory of what's coming in next. YouTube video is kind of the final landing spot to give you guys these good walk around videos so you guys can see, you know, what condition the vehicles are really in. Facebook, Instagram are the places I post them when I first get them. So if I buy this truck, say from Texas, I will post it the day I buy it. I'll give you updates online of when it's gonna be here, a rough idea on price. So sometimes stuff sells before it even gets to my door, because I have people that follow me online and follow my socials. So anyway, if you guys haven't, it's super easy. Facebook, Deluxe Motorsports, Instagram, Deluxe_Motorsports. But if you just search the name Deluxe Motorsports, you'll find us, okay? 15 Jeep Wrangler, 2-door, automatic, beautiful, beautiful truck. If you guys got any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. It's your boy Mark signing off till next video, next truck. See you then.